1 cup of sugar, a half a cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of half and half, a half a cup of light corn syrup, a half a cup or 1 stick of butter, a pinch of salt, and then you need a candy thermometer. And we're going to cook these ingredients to 250 degrees. Stir your ingredients together over a medium heat. When you see the bubbles, it starts to slow down. This is when it's starting to reach the softball stage. And this is about 240 degrees. If you don't have a thermometer, you can always do the cold water test, where you drop a little bit into a bowl of cold water, and then you test it with your finger. Test it with your finger to see how it feels. There's a teaspoon of vanilla. Line an 8x8 pan with some parchment paper and spray it with some nonstick spray. And pour your caramel onto the parchment paper into the pan. Okay, wait about an hour or 2 for it to cool. You can put it in the fridge if you'd like, and then cut it into squares. Thanks for watching.